Hey everyone, welcome back. If your CommBank account is locked on mobile app, this usually happens after multiple failed login attempts. First, wait at least 30 minutes before trying to log in again. Then, use the forgot password option. Click on the login option, then forgotten your net bank details and passwords. After that, you're going to reset your net bank password. If your account remains locked, try signing into NetBank on web browser. Open the Safari app, search for NetBank or the CommBank.com, and then try it from the web instead. Then, if you still cannot access your account or contact CommBank user customer support or visit a branch with valid identification to unlock your account securely, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.